Take a look at this Instagram account. It's getting millions of views. And do you know what they're uploading? Food eating itself videos. So today I'm going to show you how to create these viral food eating itself videos using AI step by step. Let's start. First, go to ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs, and search for food eating itself. When you find it, start a chat. Now choose any food item. For example, I'll choose apple. Just type apple, and it will generate one main prompt and four related prompts. Now open Flow AI and choose Create Image. Select the model Nano Banana Pro. Choose your aspect ratio and the number of outputs you want. Now copy the main prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Generate the images and save the one you like the most. Next, open Magic Light AI. Choose Image to Video. Upload the image you just downloaded. Now type a simple prompt like apple eating apple. Choose your video quality and click Generate. And within seconds, your food eating itself video is ready. Save the video. That's how you can create viral food eating itself videos using AI. All the tools and links are provided in the description. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Revron for more AI tutorials. And comment below what AI video you want me to cover next.